anhelando el que quiere pegar en su triste corazón. Es por eso mi canción, mi tributo sincero al bailador que tanto quiero. Mis gracias.
5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, follow. 5, 6, 7. We're gonna give her an inside turn. We're gonna drape her on 2. So bring her forward 1, right hand drapes 2. I'm gonna bring it back up and down 3. Now the left arm is gonna continue to turn her. And then do a salsa step. 5, 6, 7. Left arm is unwinding. So now on 1, I'm gonna switch the hands, stepping in front of her. 1, the right hand's going to the right side of me. So now we're gonna be going over the head. 2, turn to the left. 3, catch the hand. 5, catch the right hand. So now we're gonna do a right turn, letting go of the left hand on 6, 7. So that hand should be staying there for the ladies. I'm gonna be leading her forward on 1. Now on 2, I'm gonna grab that hand. 2, so now the right arm is gonna turn her on 3. 3, now I'm gonna make her face forward on 5. Now I'm gonna walk forward, make sure we're to the left side of her on 6, 7. I'm gonna prep her on 1, give her 1.5 right, touch and go. 2, 3, guys are gonna turn to the left on 5. So now the left hand's gonna stay down, the right hand's gonna go to the left shoulder on 6 as we step to the side. Now that hand's gonna drop and the left hand is gonna go to the other side, 7. So now on 7, I'm telling her to start going to the right. So now on 1, I'm gonna turn her all the way to the right 1, misdirect her on 2, step forward 3, back charge 5, 6, 7. So now we're gonna be giving her a copa. 1, 2, give her energy for a double turn. 3, 5, 360. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross by lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, inside turn. 1, 2, turn 3, 5, cross 6, back 7. Now step to the side on 1, start turning to the right. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Another inside turn, so go forward on 1, 2, turn 3, 5. We're gonna go forward, crossing in front on 6, 7. Now we're gonna go forward one more time on 1. We're gonna do 1.5 turns to the right. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're gonna turn to the right halfway and then cross in front. So we're going 1, misdirection, forward 2, back 3, 5, 6, 7, copa. 1, 2. Now we're gonna do a double here. So 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, cross parallel. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there!